Hi everyone, I have a bike light here with a broken clip, and I will show you how to quickly glue it together so that it will hold and you can keep using it. So let's jump in. So this is the bike light. It slides in here and these two pieces are supposed to be together. So this wraps around the handlebar, and I think the bike fell and it hit the lamp and broke this fixation here. So I'm going to use some regular super glue to glue these two parts together. So let's do that. I'll just apply a decent amount of super glue here. Not too worried about it flowing over because it's won't really be visible anyway. So I'll just stick this in here and try to make it straight. I'll hold it together maybe for a minute or so. After holding it together for a minute, I also put it in this plastic clamp for a couple of hours, and now that the glue should be all dry, I will install it. I have placed the light back on the clip here and can install this back on the handlebar, and it seems to hold just fine. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, and comment below with any suggestions. Also consider subscribing for other do-it-yourself videos. So hope to see you in the next one. Bye.